Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
So we're standing outside the home of one of the artists who we had given thanks and acknowledgement to on the 30th of June, Pastor Mjosti. So on the 30th of June, he was one of the artists that we said has shown his support to March and March. And then today I got a call from him in the morning saying that, there's been an incident here. So his sister had been going to a church which was run by a man from Burundi, and that church was eventually closed. When the church was closed, she was going to another church, but now this pastor from Burundi started calling her after hearing us acknowledge him at the March and March, and asked her why is her brother supporting March and March. To which she explained that obviously he's an old man, he can support whoever he wants. And then after that, the man showed up in the wee hours of the morning and stabbed her 43 times, if I'm not mistaken, 40 plus times, and as well as their little daughter here. So she's currently in hospital under intensive care. But also the guy was caught thanks to the neighbor, who was very brave and ran after him and went to call the police. This guy is a guy from Burundi. He came into South Africa, God knows as what, but he started a church, and apparently that church was closed down. After the church was closed down, he then became a car guard. But this particular man is also a soldier, trained soldier. So he was in the country walking around doing God knows what to survive. And today he's absolutely destroyed a family and stabbed a woman 40 something times just because that woman is related to someone who supports March and March. And we're not going to have that, because we're not supposed to have such people in our country in the first place. But our government has subjected us to such people who are soldiers, trained soldiers in their own country, coming to our country and doing all of these things. So, yeah, we're still praying that she recovers. And yeah, I'm going to say it in Zulu now, because I know some people will complain. But namhlanje sila ngaphandle kwasekhaya la Pastor Mjosti. Okomunye abantu kwathi ngomhla 30 kwaJune sibonga ukuthi ukwazile ukuthi akhulume ngeMarch and March nangokubaleka ukuthi izwe lethu likwazi ukuthi limele ngaphandle kokuthi lingenwe abantu bangaphandle bezogcwala la. Kuseksa njalo usisi wakhe uPastor Mjosti wase eseyabuza ke oseyathola icall ebuzwa umfundisi wakhe ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi ubhuti wakho abe kulezi zinto zeMarch and March, ngoba phela wena ubhuti wakho uyi-celebrity, kumele ngabe umuntu o-neutral. Wathi ke usisi angazi phela ngoba ubhuti umuntu naye umdala uyakwazi ukwenzela inqumo zakhe. Wathi kusanjalo ke wasuka ke umfundisi lo wafika namhlanje kuseni ngekhathi nje zentathakusa, wangena endlini. Mayengena endlini aqale amgwazi usisi. Anginayo isho ukuthi 40 how many times, noma 42 noma 43, kodwa kulako 40 something ikhathi amgwaze zona. Ngizoyifaka ke nevideo izolandela nje la ukuze niyibonele ukuthi into ebuhlungu kangakanani. Kodwa nje siyabiza amaphoyisa, sibiza nohulumeni ukuthi uzoyilungisa le ndawo, ngoba kwazi ukuthi izwe lethu kuhamba kucaluzwa bonke abantu laba basuka emazweni abo bangamasosha atrainiwe, kuze kulimala abantu bakithi ngenxa nje yokuthi bamele iqiniso. ngimhlungu kakhulu ngalento eyenzekela. I think futhi ngiyathandaza ukuthi uNkulunkulu asipha amandla ukuthi sidlule kulobu bunzima esibhekane nabo, ngoba siyakhala nje, sikhala ngayo lento ukuthi abantu bokufika la asibazi nokuthi bobani, baqhamuka kuma-background abanjani. Abaningi babo siyabazi basuka emakhaya nodlame, emazweni anodlame, kodwa uhulumeni wathi azange uzusivikele kuleyo nto. So leli gazi leli lapha lalo sisi nolingani yakhe lelaphayana isezandleni lahulumeni wethu. Uwona okumele uwenze sure ukuthi labantu bayaphuma ezweni lethu ngokusheshsha, ngoba sazi ukuthi njengoba kusisikamJosti nje namhlanje kusasa kuzokuba. And siyanicela ama-South Africans, manicabanga ukuthi le mpi incane akube niyabona ukuthi inkulu kangakanani, ngoba namhlanje ibona kusasa ngase kubo wena, and worse mhlampe kusasa kuba ngisho ingane zakho ungasekho wena, awuzange uyisukumele uyilwele kule mpi esibhekane nayo. Labantu abangasibona bala efanele ngaba bekho la abahambe.
A Premier of Limpopo, Poppy Ramathuba, you don't own us and you don't own Limpopo. So, March and March in Limpopo, it will continue saying abatsamai. If o konala le mazula le re tlo ba bitsa ba tlo tla ka mo Limpopo ka mo ba tla ba re thusa. And re gopela di resident tsa Limpopo dikelela kaofela ga lona a re melleng ka maoto le a bona ka mo Limpopo ka mo re tsenetswe. And le tsebe le mekgatlo e ile ro ya le supporta e sepela le lena, mekgatlo ya o tshwana le bo Action SA, mekgatlo ya o tshwana le bo DOP, supporta mekgatlo eo a le mmuso wa ANC wa magolo a utswe lo ska la votela.
Yes, at this point, I feel like as South Africans, we have got a very big problem. Ujazinta is sharing a very heartbreaking story, a very heartbreaking one, because I don't think anyone deserves what happened to this lady and her daughter. I really don't think so. And it's really sad and bad at the same time. I don't know why this man will do such a gruesome crime, would commit something like that. I really don't know why would someone do something like that just because her brother supports what this pastor does not support. Obviously, even if someone that I know supports Image and March, it has nothing to do with me. And now I don't support it. It has nothing to do with me. There's no need for you to turn into an animal, because no one deserves to experience what this lady has experienced. It's really heartbreaking, and it's not nice. It's not good. These are such people that puts all foreigners in bad picture, because if he's from wherever that is from and then he committed something like this, when we look at those people, we'll just feel like they're all the same, which is not true. It is not true. I really don't know what got into him. Come on, he's even a pastor. Guys, like, hey, what is happening in this world? What's going on? Like, it really does not make any sense that a whole pastor would commit such a crime. Why? What went wrong? Why would you do that? Because the lady, just everything is just so complicated. To me, it does not make any sense. Why would this pastor do something like that? Like, why would I hurt someone just because they support what I don't support? Even if this person is my family member, remember, they have the right to support what they want to support. So what's wrong with that? But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section.